Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your own community inside System.io. So once you're inside System.io, click on Assets and then go to Communities and then click here to create your first community. Write down the name of your community. So I'm going to call mine Success with System.io. And then pick your domain name, and the path will automatically be the same as the name you added here. Automatic post approval. So this depends on you whether you want to enable it or disable it. This means that whether you want your members to post whatever they want inside the community, or you want to first have a look at what they're posting and approve the post to be inside your community. Once you're done with the settings, go ahead and click Save. Your community is already created. Now you go ahead, click on the community, and you're going to start editing from inside. All right, so this is what your community is going to look like. Go ahead and click on the settings and complete the rest of the settings. For example, adding your community picture. So this is sort of a banner for your community. I'm going to go ahead and see if I have a random picture here. All right, let's try this one just for the sake of this example. There we go. And then choose your community type. Do you want your community to be private or public? If you choose your community to be private, this means that members can only join your community when you send an invite. Now, if you choose a public community, this means that anyone can see your community and they can join to be a member. Next, automatic post approval. So in the future, if you ever want to change your post approval settings, you can do so from inside your community settings. Go ahead and click Save. Next, you can go ahead and check your Members tab, and this is where you're going to see all the members that are inside your community. If you want to invite new members, just click here on the Invite New Members button. Add their email address here to send them an invite, or you can simply click here to generate an invitation link and then send it to the person so they can be invited inside your community. Next, we're going to go ahead and look at the posts inside the community. So if you want to post something, before posting, you need to first set up topics. So all the different topics that you're going to discuss inside your community. For example, one of the topics that I want to talk about inside my community is sales funnel. Go ahead and click here. Let me go ahead and add a few more topics. So the other topic I talk a lot about is 5-day challenges. And then another topic, let's say affiliate marketing. So these are all the topics that I will be sharing more about inside my community. And then under each topic, you can go ahead and add a post. So here's how this works. You're going to click here and write your first post. Let's say this post over here, it's about a challenge that I'm doing. So join the challenge. The path will be the same as the title. And then if you want to change the path, you can go ahead and do that. And then the topic. So choose the topic under which this post will be added. So since this is a challenge post, I'm going to add it under 5-day challenges and then write your content here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a content. Okay, let's go ahead and copy paste this content here. All right. And then if you want, you can add emojis. You can even attach a PDF or resources with the post. You can also link a YouTube video or Facebook or Loom video. Just drop the link here and the video will appear with the content. You can also add GIF or a voice note. If you want to schedule the post, just click here and choose the date and time. So let's say I want to post this tomorrow at about 4 p.m. Okay, and then click here on Add Post. So this post will be added under the 5-day challenges topic at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Let's create another post. So let's say this is going to be my welcome post. And then the topic, let's say I want to add this under sales funnel, and then the content. All right. And I'm going to click here on add post. All right, now when you click on these three dots, you can either remove the post or edit this post, or you can pin the post to home or to topic. So this post over here, let's say I want to pin it to home. So then whoever is on the home section, they will see the pinned post. You can create many topics and many posts under each topic. So this is the simple community feature of System.io. It is great for beginners. If you are new to communities and you want to build your own community without having that tech overwhelm or difficulties, then I highly recommend that you start with the System.io community feature because it is very, very easy and very simple to set up and understand. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please go ahead and make sure to drop in the comments below. If you want to learn more about System.io and how to leverage the different features inside System.io so you can start making money from your funnels, go ahead and join my Success with System.io school community. Currently, it's $7 per month, but the price will be increasing soon. So do not wait. Join us now to be locked in for $7 per month. Success with System.io. This is a community for you if you want to leverage System.io. Once you join us, you will get access to my free course on mastering System.io. I do live workshops every month. Every week, I do live weekly calls, so you can join us and ask your questions and get response real time. We can even work on building your funnel together, and whatever you're stuck with, whether that's funnel, offer, content, marketing, this is the community for you. You get direct support and coaching from me for just $7 per month. So if you're looking to monetize your funnels in the next few months of 2025, this is the community you need to be in. I look forward to seeing you inside Success with System.io.